We are now in Tel Aviv. It's in front of the City Hall, and there's kind of an art here by the name the Last Supper. And as you can see, instead of Jesus, you can see Bibi himself, the destroying Israel. No connection between the people and the government, and you can see that they're really enjoy the Last Supper. Look at that! A lot of good alcohol, excellent food, a lot of good champagne that his wife loves very much. And look at him, he's eating that cake in the shape of the flag of Israel. Corruption is the most important word now in Israel, and Bibi is the leader of it. And the sad thing that there are still 32 mandates of 120 that believe that he is God himself. The rule of the Last Supper is in Tel Aviv, right here. Zahi is the artist, and I must say that it looks beautiful. We have a problem, Israel.